If you're a coder, baker, personal trainer, or anything in between, you could make big bucks by creating online courses and membership programs. In 2022, more than 800,000 people were actively creating and selling courses online. And in 2023, that number will most likely surpass 1 million. Using Forento, people from more than 80 countries are actively building businesses. And by viewing this video, you are now one step closer to being one of those happy creators. Forento has everything you need in order to create your own branded course, coaching, or community platform, meaning you get to design your own website with our full-scale drag-and-drop website builder, upload content, sell products, connect your own domain name, and add your own branding. The website builder has 15 templates, designed specifically for different types of course platforms. Creating a website has never been easier. The truth is, some people get Forento just for the website builder. Also, it's not only for websites, but also lead magnets, funnels, and sales pages. Meaning you can use this one feature not only to host your website, but also to grow your business and brand. With Forento, you're not limited to only online courses. You can sell downloadables like ebooks or worksheets, host paid events such as webinars or coaching sessions, and create monthly or annual subscription programs. There's also a community feature, allowing your customers and members to engage with each other, share knowledge, and stay active on your platform, even after finishing your course. So there you have it. With Forento, you have all the tools at your fingertips to turn your passion and expertise into a thriving online business. Whether you're a coder, baker, personal trainer, or any other creative soul, the opportunities are endless. So why wait? Take the leap and become one of the thousands of creators who are already changing lives and making a living doing what they love. Sign up for Forento today and start building your dream.